Welcome to Bike Rush, where we explore motorcycles that blend heritage, practicality, and pure riding fun. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Yamaha TW200, a legendary dual sport that continues to stand out with its simple design, go-anywhere attitude, and unmistakable fat tire personality. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 stays true to its roots with a minimalist, rugged design that has earned a cult following worldwide. Its wide tires, compact proportions, and upright stance give it a purposeful look that's instantly recognizable. Subtle updates in finishes and graphics keep the bike fresh while preserving the classic TW identity riders love. Engine and performance. At the heart of the TW200 is its proven 196 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. Tuned for reliability and low-end torque, it delivers smooth, predictable power that's ideal for beginners and seasoned riders alike. The engine isn't about speed, it's about control, confidence, and dependable performance across varied terrain. What truly defines the TW200 is its oversized front and rear tires. These wide tires provide exceptional traction and stability on loose surfaces like sand, gravel, mud, and snow. Whether crawling along trails or cruising back roads, the TW200 offers a planted, confidence-inspiring ride that few bikes can match. With its low seat height and lightweight chassis, the 2026 TW200 is incredibly approachable. The suspension is tuned for comfort and versatility, absorbing bumps and uneven terrain with ease. Its relaxed ergonomics make long rides surprisingly comfortable, especially for riders who value control over outright perform. The TW200 isn't just a trail bike, it's a practical everyday companion. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point, making it economical to own and ride. Its simplicity means low maintenance costs, and its durable construction ensures it can handle daily use, weekend adventures, and everything in between. Staying true to its old-school charm, the 2026 TW200 keeps technology simple. An easy-to-read analog instrument cluster provides essential information without distraction. Electric start, dependable braking, and Yamaha's renowned build quality ensure a hassle-free ownership experience. The Yamaha TW200 is perfect for new riders seeking confidence, adventure riders looking for a lightweight exploration tool, and enthusiasts who appreciate simplicity. It's a motorcycle that encourages exploration at your own pace, making every ride feel relaxed and enjoyable. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 proves that you don't need cutting-edge tech or massive power to have a great riding experience. With its timeless design, unmatched versatility, and legendary reliability, it remains one of the most approachable and fun dual-sport motorcycles available. For riders who value freedom, simplicity, and character, the TW200 continues to deliver, year after year. Stay tuned to Bike Rush for more motorcycle stories, reviews, and ride-inspired content.